Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook solid white tuna. First, select high-quality tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick, for the best results. Before cooking, it's crucial to pat them completely dry using paper towels. This helps achieve a beautiful sear. Then, lightly brush both sides with olive oil and season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Pan-searing is a fantastic method for cooking tuna, creating a lovely crust while keeping the inside tender. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Place the seasoned tuna steaks in the hot pan. For a perfect medium rare, cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, tuna cooks quickly, so keep a close eye on it to prevent overcooking. To elevate your tuna's flavor, consider a quick marinade or a dry rub. A simple marinade of lemon juice, olive oil, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill works wonderfully. 15 to 30 minutes is usually enough. Alternatively, a dry rub with spices such as paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne can add a delightful kick. These additions truly enhance the natural taste of the tuna. Once your tuna is perfectly cooked, it's time to think about serving. Seared tuna is excellent atop a fresh salad with a light vinaigrette, offering a refreshing contrast. It also pairs beautifully with simple side dishes like roasted vegetables, such as asparagus or broccoli. For an extra touch, drizzle a homemade lemon butter sauce or a vibrant salsa over the top. Enjoy your delicious, home-cooked solid white tuna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.